Whenever you're working on the neck, always support it under the area that you're working on and move the support block as you need to. Take your cabinet scraper and use your finger to check to see which side the burr is on, because it's the burr side that's going to be doing all the scraping. You'll feel it. Hold the scraper firmly and securely, starting with the first fret, and if it feels uncomfortable, too big, then it is. Get yourself a smaller one. Start the first fret. Carefully drag the scraper in one direction towards you at an angle and test the angle to find where it works best. Don't stop midway, otherwise you'll leave a dent in the wood. Also, don't scrape the other direction away from you. Now what you're looking for is a consistent pressure, a consistent scrape one way from fret to fret, working your way systematically from one side of the neck to the other. Classical guitars don't have a cambered or curved neck, so it feels a little bit different, but follow the same principles. Now when you're scraping, notice, look, the actual wood is being scraped off, and this removes the soaked in oil from the fingers, leaving an absolutely fabulous new look. Don't worry about the mother of pearl inlays, just scrape them over as well. You won't damage them, it's fine. Now remember, one direction only, nice and smooth. Wipe away the scrapings with a cloth. Don't use your finger because you've just taken the finger oil off. You don't want to put any more back on. A good way to remove the scrapings against the frets, as you can see it all gathers up there, is to carefully drag the corner of the scraper against the fret and the board. Now honestly, please be careful, because if you put too much pressure on, you'll score the line, and if you're not actually in the frets right in the corner of it, you will score a line on there. We'll try and be aware of that when you're doing it, okay? Don't forget to hoover up the mess. Keep your work area nice and tidy, always, whatever it is that you're doing, because you're going to have another guitar to work on soon. Keep it tidy. Now, doesn't that look good?